Hello guys, welcome to uiuxdesign. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be talking about the secrets of the UI UX designers. Okay, if you are just upcoming as a UI UX designer, I will be sharing deep secrets close to the end of this video. Please watch to the end so that you don't miss out. Alright, now let's get started. I will have material design 2. Alright, this website is a big website that almost all designers, the expert they use this website for their projects. Alright, as a UI designer, so if you are not conversant with this website, which means you may not be actually doing your work rightly. Alright, though there are other websites that actually help UI UX designers. Okay, and this is what I will be showing you in. Okay, now we have this is the website materialdesign.io. now we have the foundation. We have this is just a design here. We have the dark mode and the light mode, and this is not actually what I'm about showing you now. Come, let's check this component. Now you can see this website, if you are, it shows you're using this website will help you actually make your work very fast. It will facilitate your designs. Now you don't have to rack your head going up and down or creating something that is independent of what is obtainable from other designers. You just have to come here. You have the designs here. Look at the design that is done here. Come to this component. If you want to create a component, for instance, you are creating a mobile app. Now we have here, we have the, from the left hand corner here, we have app bar. Right, for instance, your application, if you are working on application, the top bar, you can see them here. Look at this is the button, and we have also the top bar here. Okay, you have app bar, the button, then the app bar top, the same thing. This is the backdrop. All right, backdrop. If you want, just like the app, you are going back, what you input is not correct, you have to go back or cancel your input. You have to, this is the backdrop. Okay, we have various design here. This one, it helps you actually make your work very fast. All right, I'll be sharing material design 3 at the end of this video. Please, those one is very important. Okay, it's an advancement of a material design 2. Material design 3 will show you the speculation, the spec, which means that how you can actually make use of those things. The dimensions, everything is given to you. Okay, you don't have to wrap your head and get something different. Okay, all right, you don't have to do that. So wait to the, all right, let's continue. Then we have top bar, then the drop back here, which is this thing that I just showed you earlier. This is the drop bar. If you click on this drop bar, and let's try it, we'll see everything that we need to know. All right, okay, look at it. This is how you can use it. The usage, we have page, we have this the menu bar. This is the menu bar. Also we have first, number one is back layer, the back layer, then two front layer. Okay, this label here is back layer, while this one is front layer. Okay, you can see a tons of them here. Everything that you need to know to actually make a nice design, it is here. I just go and check. If you're having it in a tough time, go back, just check on this website. You have everything that you need. Okay, now let's check okay, we talked about this one before. All right, the app bar. If you want to create an app, you have the button here, we also have the usage, everything they are here. Okay, let's check the top bar also, the top bar. Now meanwhile, we are talking about component, how to create those components easily. All right, how to create those components easily. Now this is the top bar. All right, we have the menu bar here and the page title, then these icons, everything here, and how they are used. All right, in the material design 3, I will show you spec how the dimension, where to arrange them. All right, okay, then button navigation. Let's check button navigation. All of this, they are still under component. Button navigation, you look at it, we have like 5 icon here. All right, most apps, at least any app that have less than 3 button icon, that app will not be that so good. At least minimum of 4. Okay, it can be 5, maybe maximum of 5. Okay, all right, you can see we have those 4 here. 4 icon: 1 favorite, music, places, then news. All right, this one is good. Then we have buttons also. All right, in every design, in fact website, there are a lot of buttons. In a website, in applications, there are a lot of buttons. So all of these components, they are very important to UI/UX designers. Okay, all right, look at a button here. So how to create them? The outline buttons, let's check the outline. The text buttons, you see that this contains, but that is field button, then outline button, then text button. So we still have them here. The principle, the guidelines. All right, you follow those principles and you create a nice button. All right, let's continue. Then we have a floating action button, FAB, floating action button. Okay, we have them here. Look at it. A default is at 56 dp. All right, we have this one that looks like, actually looks as is floating. Look at the drop shadow at the bottom, as if something is on top of something. All right, now let's check the extended one. Look at the extended one. If you are having challenge, just come to this website. It will do magic for you. All right, okay, now the button, these how they are used, the usage, how they are used. We have the inbox, the menu bar here, the search bar, then these other icons. All right, okay, they also do and don'ts to UI/UX designer. Okay, now for instance, don't display multiple FAB on a single screen. Yes, don't do that. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, all right, now let me now show you what I was talking about in Material Design 3. Material Design 3, it actually show more details. Okay, pay attention to this. Now this is what the reason why I ask you to watch to the end. It shows more detail compared to Material Design 2. Okay, let's check now. We have Material Design 3. This Material Design, the home page, you can check in here whatever you want to do. Like for instance, 3M for jack pack component, new component, then carousel. Okay, the main thing here, let's try component here. In fact, everything you want to design, they are all here. The component, I hover on component, you see the app bar, budget, buttons, also cards. Let's try cards. Okay, in fact all websites, they are made of cards. A lot, every fact, everything you can see, I mean all the designs, they are made of cards. All right, now this is an example of a card, elevated card. You can see this design. Look at it as if it's staying because of that drop shadow. The same thing with all this one is field, this one outline. Okay, card can also exist in these 3 forms also. Now the spec that I was talking about, the spec, how can you use them? The dimension, look at it. Get started. This one is an example of a card. Okay, now why this whole of this thing is called container? All right, because it's containing what? This card, and this card is also containing some component. This get started and all this text. All right, okay, let's come down a little bit. You can see this is also a card. Title, how they are used. Let's go down a little bit. You see that all of them, we have a hover cards. When you hover on the cards, you show an elevation. Okay, something is like a pop up. All right, when you hover on it, then this focus card, this press card, when you press them, it will show this kind of design, this kind of elevation. Now drag, when you drag them to show this kind. So this is how you can do them. This is how. Then disable, when you disable, then it show this kind of font. And this one is the dark mode of this one. All right, Now elevated can add over, just as we've seen here, over, focused, pressed, drag, then disable. Alright. The field card, this one is a field card. Remember I said before earlier, this one here is the container, is here. Number one is container. Here we also have a container here. Okay, we have two container of containers. Okay, then we have this one is the container of containers. You see, this one also, it has a content in it, these buttons and this text also. All right, these are the spec. Now let's check the guidelines. Guideline helps us, it actually guides us or guide the designers what to do. All right, you don't have to just go where it's good. You authentic, I mean it's authentic. Okay, it can be more authentic than what is out there. For easy design and fast design, just come to this website and check what you want and get it and make your work faster. Okay, that is that. A carousel is the same thing. In fact, the same thing. You can. All right, let's check down and let's check spec. Okay, this is example of a carousel. All right, how they are arranged. Now if you check guidelines, okay, look at it, how they are arranged. Okay, their state. This is an example of carousel. Okay, dark and light mode. Then guidelines is also there. All right, how to use them. Example of carousel usage. Okay, carousel display a row of items such as a collection of photos, recipes, or music tracks. Carousel items can contain brief text that adapt to the item size. Okay, like this one, you can see that contain brief text. So that is that, guys. Anytime you want to make your design, make any design as a UI UX designer, just use any of these two websites. In fact, the two of them, they are good, but the Material Design 3 is an advancement of Material Design 1. Okay, two of these websites, they are very nice one. Okay, as a designer, make use of this website so that you can have what a facilitated designs. All right, thank you guys, thank you for your time, everything. Thank you.